Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I'm going to be showing you another analysis for today's trades with the indices, Nasdaq, US30, and even S&P 500 also did some entries today. So beautiful formation. If you saw my previous video, the market was somewhere around here. I was telling you guys that if it breaks this formation, I'm on a 4-hour right now. Let's go on a 1 hour. If it breaks this formation right here and also breaks this previous support resistance now, most likely I'm going to get in. So I did get in. Boom. Stop loss below. It's a little far away, I know, but I think that was the safest zone to put it. And you see the market immediately, like almost no drawdown in this point. Since I opened the entry here, I sent this analysis also to the VIP group on the Telegram. So it went beautiful, beautiful formation, beautiful push. Now, right now, what do you see right here? What are we seeing? You see a big push. So when you see a big push like that, no pullback yet. A pullback is actually expected. So this right here, this drop right now, it could be doing a pullback now. So how do we measure that? How do we know like where is going to be the pullback? You see that push right there, beautiful push. So you use your Fibonacci from the lowest point of that trend to the top. All right. Now it's very possible right now, as I always tell you, whenever you see a formation like that, a formation like this, a reversal flag or a bullish flag, or like this or bearish flag, the best zone to take profit is usually at the lowest point. Like this, if let's say you made the entry right there, your take profits should be somewhere around at this point, which was beautiful. The price did reach it. So same thing with this reversal flag. Okay, the safest point to take profits, it should be this point. Once it breaks right here, you enter and take profits, at least to secure some profits at this high. Okay. That's what I did. So the price pushed up. Now it looks like it's coming back down and is breaking this thing right now to the downside. So it could be doing a pullback. So it's very, very possible that we can get actually stopped out right here. But don't worry, if you get stopped out, I might be looking for another entry right here in this pullback. The market would do most likely something like that. It will try to reach a 38.20 before even starting to push up. Okay, pullback is necessary. It may not do the pullback. It may not fall completely to the 38.20, depending on the, on how much people, how much buyers are there, how much volatility. But like right now, it's just right there. It's just holding in that zone. But it's expected that fall right there to here to this point. It doesn't mean it's a retracement. It could be just a pullback. Even if it falls right here and touches this zone again, it could still be considered as a pullback all the way to the 61.8, all the way down here. If the price drops all the way down here, it is not a retracement. If it, if you're able to find a good entry point right here, maybe a trigger, it will tell you to buy. You can buy right there, stop loss below the 61.8, a few pips below, and then you ride it all the way at least to the top right here again. So it's very possible. You need to expect a pullback. I already closed some profits, and I'm still holding one. Most likely, during tonight, I might get stopped out. Tomorrow is the NFP, so let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. I hope this thing actually continues pushing up, and it will correct. You see all the stocks, they ended up green almost all of them for the US30 and for Nasdaq. Nice. So yeah, a pullback is definitely expected, and maybe reaching that zone, maybe continuing now the uptrend to to the very top. Let's see if we can hold it. I'm going to try to find another entry somewhere down here tomorrow. So let's see. That's how it's looking. That's how Nasdaq is looking. Let's go ahead and check US30. Again, look at that beautiful push right there. I did enter a little late. I wish I could have actually made this entry. I missed it yesterday. So yeah, I'm kind of mad, but anyways, You know, I was able to actually catch it here. The price was breaking this 4-hour support resistance in the past. It was breaking. I enter aggressively, put the stop loss a few pips below. So I was like, you know what the hell? Let's just follow that. But what do you think is going to happen right now at this point? Let's go on a 4-hour again, see how it's looking on a bigger time frame. So yeah, it could be a, big range consolidation, ugly formation right there. But right there on a 4 hours, well, you see that doji right there, that pin bar. So it's very possible it's going to do the same thing. Okay, it's going to do a pullback after that push, beautiful push, even from yesterday, right there with this pin bar right here as well. It's very possible it will do a pullback. So we'll go from the low to the high, and you see we can expect a pullback again. So I did took some profit at this zone, and I'm still holding one right here as well. So most likely I'm going to get stopped out if it goes. I'm pretty sure it's going to, with this pin bar right there, I'm pretty sure that thing is going to drop lower, and most likely it's going to reach it. But I'm considering during this night, I'm considering putting a buy limit at this point. Like if the price dropped this zone right here, I might be putting a buy limit. So a buy will be activated. The stop loss may be below the 61.8, somewhere around here, and I will just follow if it drops, because I don't wanna miss it. I know I might get stopped out right there on break even because I did put it on break even. Hopefully not, but let's see what's gonna happen. See what's gonna happen tomorrow, tonight, with that push. After that push, yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have in that formation right there. It means that the price could go lower. So that was with the US30 and the S&P 500. It did exactly pretty much the same formation. It's like a mirror. So I did catch it as well when it was breaking this previous high, this beautiful candle right there, body of the candle breaking, boom, enter, almost no drawdown at all. Maybe few like 2-3 pips, I don't know. Very small, and then pushing. Very nice, taking profits as well at this level. Okay, important to secure some profits when the market reaches the level. All right, and then maybe put at this point a stop loss to break even and let it run. Okay, at this point, I am as well again on break even, same position. It is very likely that the price will, because this is a 4-hour. Let me go on a 4-hour. See, that's a 4-hour zone right there, even lower. Yeah, even lower. This could be considered, I think this was a daily zone. Oh yeah, this was a daily. Yeah, I put the daily here. So touch, then break, touch, multiple touches right here in this zone. So this is a daily zone. It's not a 4-hour, it's a daily. So it's a very strong zone right here. But again, it is still expected. A pullback is expected. You see that pin bar right there again on a 4-hour. So it's very possible the price will come back down, maybe stopping me out. But guess what? I'm going to try to get another buy right here. Maybe a buy limit, or if I happen to be awake by the time it reaches, I'm going to be trying to make another entry right there to buy. Let's see if it's going to do it. Like I mentioned, let's see if it's actually going to do and complete the full pullback or not. But most likely yes. But let's see what's going to happen. All right, very interesting formations today. Also in German 30th, German 40. I don't know why this hasn't changed. I don't know if I have to look for the German 40th now. But anyways, see, I did not getting in this one. I'm scared of this one. This one is like huge. Like if just by making a 0.01 right here, I could have been making or risking like $30 or $20 right there, just with a 0.01, at least with my broker. So I'm scared to this one, even though that formation was nice. The price was breaking this previous support right there. I would have made my entry and a stop loss. So I did it as a test, but hell no, I'm not getting in on this one. I'm scared to this one, but it's doing that same formation. It's reaching that very strong support, 4-hour support resistance is reaching. Now it's expected a pullback as well. So you see, I predicted pretty much the movement from yesterday. So right there, let's say, yeah, it's a push. Okay, so from here, from the low to the high, you see the pullback is very possible. There's a 4-hour zone as well. So it's very possible the price could come back down, maybe reach this zone, and then maybe start pushing up. So it's very, very possible a pullback after that nice push. So anyways, if you're into this one, German 30th is really nice as well. Like formations are good. It's respecting the formations as well. It's just that to me is like, I don't know why, but the contract size is huge. So for just 0.01 lot size, I'm risking a lot in there, a lot. So if you're into it, go ahead and do it. But that would be all pretty much with the indices. I wanted to do a quick review as well on gold. As I'm telling you, gold is not going to do anything. This week has not been doing anything. It's just consolidating right there. It's just patiently waiting for the NFP. I say this thing is going to break or going to melt down on the NFP, which is tomorrow. So keep an eye on it. Set your alerts. Maybe if it breaks this zone right here, you can go selling. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it's a very strong zone right there. You can maybe stretch it out. It's an entire zone. So let's say if it breaks this zone, you can go on a sell if it breaks it. Or simple, if it breaks this zone, you still maybe breaking even this high, this previous high right there, you can go on a buy. But it's very, just be careful. Don't make an entry right there because you don't know where it's going to go. Okay, so just be careful there. And Bitcoin just flew away. So this is beautiful. Right now, well, is it 53,000? I'm sorry. So it might be reaching the halfway of, let's see, 55. Yeah, it reached the 55K. And then there is a zone, there is a resistance in the past. 55. Yeah, the 55 is a resistance. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen right there with Bitcoin. I missed that beautiful entry. So it's creating a formation, and most likely it's going to fall a little bit more than maybe. But I think this is it. This is it. People were saying that Bitcoin was going to reach the 100K this year. Do you think it's possible? I don't know. But at least maybe reach the $60,000 again. But oh my God, beautiful formation here, beautiful formation here. This is pushing. Yeah. So let's see what's going to happen. I think that will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Follow me on Telegram if you want to see this information daily. Just make sure to go on my website and check out the actual mentorship there and the course that I'm providing. So I'm pretty sure you're going to be interested, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.